Today I will show my recently developed add-on called AIHouseRender to render the AI image inside the Blender by using Stable Diffusion. I open this file. We have installed the add-on AIHouseRender. We need to name the URL and port number, and we also need to specify the output folder in Blender Preferences. And in the render tag, we click Connect Stable Diffusion. But we need to reset the height and the width. This is the segade ADE20 table. We have combined it with the AIHouseRender add-on in Blender. In the text to image, we have a this is all the items inside that PDF file. And we can do a search. Suppose we need to search table. We click table. All the related keywords will be shown here. Suppose we can rename this object. In the meantime, a new material will be replaced with the old material by segade20 color. By changing each object inside the Blender can be a tedious job. For this Blender file, it has hundreds of objects. We can't do this to change the name by seg format one by one. Thus, I wrote two Python scripts inside the Blender. The first is export all the objects name into JSON format. And will be saved in a C drive here. This is the key and the value. The value will be a list. The first one is the collection name, and the second one is its original object name, and we can change from here by following the accurate name inside this PDF file. Select this one, transparent curtain. There's no such keyword inside the table, so we need to rename by curtain. The window is okay, just we remain the original object name. Also this one, furniture kitchen handle, we need to change it to cabinet for the kitchen cabinet. This can quite be easy to do this. Can replace in a batch mode, can save huge time. Also the hooker no such item in the table. We need to change it to chair. Also, that's like a halogen. There's no such item. We change it to light. The light sphere, this phrase, no such phrase in the table. We just change it to light and add a hyphen sphere. And then we can run this Python script to change all the names by this JSON file. We run this script, batch change object names.py. And then the new names will be generated by the segade20 format. We go back to test to image. And then we can batch changing colors. We use this operator. The separator is by bottom line. And the position, we start from 2. We go to the viewport shading. We change from 2 to 3. Also 4. Also 5. And then all object names has been changed, and also the new materials by segade format will be added into the scene. And then we go to the image to image tab. And this image is generated by Blender. We will extract the prompts. To here. And then we unclick by deep blue. We click interrogate clip. And then we can see a kitchen with a table and chairs and a refrigerator and oven in it, and a dining room table and chairs will be added to the prompt. We can select interior shape tensors, architecture interior, V90. Sample, we will set this one, DPM plus 2M colors. We also need to add a lora. We choose this one, X architecture, 11 fantasy architecture. we reduce the weight to 0.6, and then we add, and the lora keywords will be added at the end of the prompt. We go back to test image. We need to press this operator compositing render das. This will generate two images, one as the render result, the other is we need to untick RGB, otherwise it's all in white. We'll take this as the das image. Here, we have three control nets. We'll use two. Enable control net, last BL render. As for this, render result. Pixel perfect. We'll choose segmentation. We choose OF ADE20K. Model, we'll use this one. Controlnet is more important. We change it to the second controlnet. Enable. From das, we'll use this one. Pixel perfect. We'll choose das. We'll choose das Midas. Model, we will choose this controlnet SD15 das. All the parameters setup are finished. We can click test image. And then the first AI image is generated. It will be saved. SD Blender output test image today will be saved here. By using this das controlnet, it's faster and provides much more accurate results. It's very important for the final results. And then we change the batch count to 3. Batch size to 3. We'll generate 9 images. We click test image. And wait for the final results. And all the generated Stable Diffusion images will be saved here. And later we can have a check. 9 images has been finished. This is the final result. We can do a comparison between the Blender render and the SDAI renders. I have a 4060 Ti 16G cards. So it takes me around 2 minutes to render these 9 images. The resolution is 960 by 540. To my impression, this SD generated image is a bit better than the Blender render results, because it's quick, fast, and flexible.